I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to activate notifications on Squarespace, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Squarespace account. Start by signing into your Squarespace account using your credentials. This will take you to your website dashboard where you can manage your site settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access various site settings. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Notifications option. Click on it to open the Notifications settings page where you can customize your alerts. Step 4. Choose your notification preferences. On the Notifications page, you can toggle on or off the types of notifications you want to receive, such as form submissions or order alerts. Make sure to save your changes after adjusting these settings. Just remember, if you don't see the form submission toggle, it might be because you haven't set up any forms yet. Step 5. Test your notifications. After saving your preferences, it's a good idea to test the notifications. You can do this by submitting a test form or placing a mock order to ensure you receive the alerts as expected. Now you're all set to receive notifications on Squarespace. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the Help Center or reach out for support. Happy website managing!